Oh, Jesus. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we survived the fear bug. Oh, there's that big green thing that we saw before. Ooh, look at the windows. They're so pretty. So pretty. Oh, look, look at the brooch that attached its cloak. That's so cool. The, this game, now it's a bit clunky. I don't think anybody will argue against that point. But the art in it is so beautiful. Oh, the art and design is so unique. Should I put this here? So unique and visibly, a lot of effort has gone into it. Oh, I put it over here? Ah, I see. Ah, okay. But, like, look at those windows. That's gorgeous. Do I now destroy these things? Oh! Oh, no! It's not hurting me. Uh, I'm confused. What are these lasers doing to me and why? Oh, I see. Just beat the shit out of them. Oh, okay, just beat the shit out of the security guards and you get into the club. That makes sense. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Oh, what are you? Hello. B. You actually made it here, but the fear bug. How? You should leave now. I know what you think you know, but you don't. You've no idea what this place is, what it was. I've no time to explain, but ignore me at your peril. Oh, that's worrying. What's in here? Nothing, apparently. A whole lot of nothing. Ooh. And in. Cool. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, cool. Cool, cool. Oh, big stretch. Ooh, I think I hurt my back. No, I did hurt my back. Ow. Ouchies. Oh, what are you? Oh. Shoot. Okay. There are cracks in the floor. Maybe get him to smash on them. Let's have a look-see. Get him to fall through. Oh, I'm dead. I need another healthy fairy ring. Let's try this again. Oh, there's a big blue thing on his back. Slice and roll. Bro, how do you keep on getting caught on things? It doesn't make sense. Yeah, piece of shit. Scratch my head. Slicey, slicey, slice, roll. Slicey, slicey, slice, roll. He's getting angry. Oh. Oh my god, I did it. I did it! How did I mean, yeah, I did it, yeah. Yeah. I'm so cool and collected heading out this door. I'm like, yeah. I took out the big. I don't know what it is. It hasn't said its name yet. Oh, oh. Oh, it's not a maze. It's a library? Oh, robots. They want to take my soul. Not my gym jams. They're my gym jams. Go away, robot. It's like an office. It feels very Fallout right now, which I like. Slice, slice, slice. Um, um, well, there's a way up there. Okay, this way. Off we go. I wonder what that green guy was like warning me about. He was like, "It's dangerous." Was it the rock monster? Rock monster? Probably not. Uh, um, oh, is it a lift? It is a lift. There we go. I successfully called the lift. Names. Pooh face. Sometimes I wonder about myself. Like, really. Oh. Oh. There's a something. There's a magical light flower. Not a light bulb. You get it? B. Oh. Magical light bulb. Ah, never mind. Too. You don't know. I ain't explaining. Oh. Hello. Oh. He just Batmaned out of here. He's just like, see you later, fucker. It's like, da-da-da-da. And then went away really fucking slowly. Oh my god. Oh. So now I imagine we have to go to a different floor? No. No more buttons there. Oh. I'm a little bit confused. So I am. Oh, okay. That makes sense. That does make sense. That makes cash money. Not a lot. Oh. And that was how the great hero Ku was slain. He rolled headfirst into a welder held by an ancient robot. Die! Die, robots! Ah, ah! On guard! Swashbuckle! What, what? Where? Where? See? Where? No health and a lot of them. Useless. Useless. Rolling. Rolling. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Rolling. There's nothing past that door. So, last time I went into a room like this, I either flipped a switch, had the scaling man, or a big stone guy. Why do they need ropes when it looks like they can fly? Oh, they're pinching me shit. Oh, robots. Oh, my phone's lighting up when apparently people are talking about me on WhatsApp. I don't know. Oh, die, robots. I can take you. Ha ha. Oh, no, I can't. Run away. Oh, I'm dead. That is certainly unfortunate. Come on, we can do this. Oh god, there's more. Oh, help! Oh no! Oh, they're hurting me! Oh my god, I am very stuck! Fuck you, robots! Ah! I need that help. Fucking robots. Okay, here we go. And now, fight the robots. Fight the pigeon. Fight the pigeon. Fight the pigeon. Fight the pigeon. Whack him. Smack him. Drive a sword in him. Fight that pigeon. Slice and dice. Help. I like help. Oh, yeah. Now, I'm gonna get the lift. Sha-na-na-na-na-na-na.